Have you ever wondered what sets truly valuable individuals apart in our dynamic and interconnected world? The pursuit of personal value is a journey that transcends the accumulation of wealth or accolades. It's about cultivating a mindset and adopting habits that contribute positively to your life and the lives of those around you. In this guide, we will explore the key principles that can transform you into a truly valuable person, leaving a lasting impact on both yourself and the world. Self-discovery and authenticity. In the vast tapestry of life, the thread of self-discovery weaves the foundation for genuine value. To become a valuable person, embark on a profound journey within yourself. Authenticity is the key that unlocks this transformative process. Embrace your unique qualities, strengths, and vulnerabilities. Strip away societal expectations and uncover the core of who you are. Self-discovery is not a destination, but a continuous exploration. It involves acknowledging your true desires, values, and aspirations. As you peel back the layers of societal conditioning, you unearth the authentic self, the source of your inherent value. Embracing authenticity empowers you to live in alignment with your true nature, fostering a sense of purpose and fulfillment. This journey is both introspective and outward-facing. It requires honest self-reflection and the courage to express your true self to the world. Authenticity breeds connection, as people are drawn to those who radiate sincerity. In a world saturated with facades, being authentically you sets the stage for personal growth and establishes the foundation for becoming a truly valuable individual. Continuous learning and adaptability. In the ever-evolving landscape of life, the pursuit of value hinges on a commitment to continuous learning and adaptability. Picture your mind as a dynamic canvas where every experience, lesson, and curiosity contributes to the masterpiece of your personal growth. Embrace a mindset that sees every encounter, whether success or setback, as an opportunity to glean wisdom and expand your knowledge. To be valuable is to be a perpetual student of life. Engage in a relentless quest for knowledge, remaining open to new ideas and perspectives. Stay curious, for curiosity is the fuel that propels the engine of personal evolution. Read voraciously, seek diverse experiences, and cultivate a genuine enthusiasm for learning. Adaptability is the companion to learning, a dynamic dance with change. Life's rhythm is unpredictable, and valuable individuals master the steps of adaptation. Flexibility in the face of challenges, a willingness to pivot, and the capacity to learn from every twist and turn are hallmarks of those who not only survive but thrive amidst life's uncertainties. In the intersection of continuous learning and adaptability, you sculpt a mindset that positions you as a resilient, ever-growing force, a valuable individual capable of navigating the complexities of an ever-changing world. Empathy and compassion. At the heart of genuine value lies the profound ability to connect with others through empathy and compassion. Imagine a world where every interaction is infused with understanding, where people share not only words, but also the silent language of empathy. To be truly valuable is to cultivate a deep awareness of the emotions, struggles, and triumphs of those around you. Empathy is the bridge that spans the gap between individuals, fostering a sense of shared humanity. It involves the capacity to step into another person's shoes, to feel the contours of their experience. It's a skill that transcends sympathy, as empathy requires a genuine emotional resonance with the joys and sorrows of others. Compassion, the natural offspring of empathy, propels individuals toward action. It's the force that drives you to alleviate suffering, offer support, and contribute positively to the well-being of others. Valuable individuals not only understand the power of empathy and compassion, but actively integrate these qualities into their daily interactions. In a world often marked by division and misunderstanding, Cultivating empathy and compassion sets you apart. These qualities create bonds, build trust, and establish a foundation of human connection that elevates your value in personal relationships, communities, and the broader tapestry of humanity. Effective communication. In the symphony of human interaction, effective communication is the melody that harmonizes relationships and fosters understanding. To be a valuable person is to master the art of articulating thoughts, listening actively, and creating a shared space for meaningful dialogue. Effective communication is a two-way street. It requires not only expressing your ideas clearly, but also attentively absorbing the thoughts and feelings of others. Valuable individuals hone their ability to convey complex concepts with simplicity, ensuring that their messages resonate with diverse audiences. Active listening is a cornerstone of effective communication. It involves more than hearing words. It requires understanding the emotions, nuances, and intentions behind the message. By truly listening, you validate others' experiences and build a foundation of mutual respect. Creating an environment conducive to open dialogue is another aspect of effective communication. Valuable individuals foster spaces where diverse perspectives are welcomed, and ideas can be shared without fear of judgment. They recognize that collaboration and innovation thrive in an atmosphere of transparent and respectful communication. In personal and professional realms, the power of effective communication cannot be overstated. It bridges gaps, resolves conflicts, and strengthens connections. As you refine your communication skills, you enhance your value by becoming a conduit for shared understanding in a world that thrives on meaningful exchange. Resilience and perseverance. In the tapestry of a valuable life, threads of resilience and perseverance are intricately woven, creating a fabric that withstands the tests of adversity. To be truly valuable is to navigate the unpredictable terrain of life with an unwavering spirit and a commitment to surmounting challenges. Resilience is the art of bouncing back from setbacks that are an inherent part of the human experience. It involves developing a mental and emotional fortitude that allows you to weather storms without losing sight of your purpose or breaking under pressure. Valuable individuals view obstacles not as insurmountable barriers, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Perseverance, the steadfast determination to pursue goals despite difficulties, complements resilience. It's the relentless drive that propels you forward when the path seems daunting. Valuable individuals understand that success often requires sustained effort, and they cultivate the discipline to persist in the face of obstacles. Together, resilience and perseverance form a dynamic duo that propels you through life's challenges. By embracing the lessons embedded in difficulties, you not only fortify your own character, but also inspire those around you. As a valuable individual, you become a beacon of strength and endurance, illuminating the path for others to overcome their adversities. Service to others. In the symphony of a valuable life, the melody of service to others resounds with a resonance that transcends individual achievements. To be truly valuable is to recognize the profound impact one can have by contributing to the well-being of others and the broader community. Service to others is grounded in a selfless commitment to make a positive difference. Valuable individuals understand that their skills, time, and resources can be potent instruments for societal betterment. This ethos of service goes beyond simple acts of kindness. It involves a genuine desire to contribute to the greater good, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Whether through volunteer work, mentorship, or simply extending a helping hand, valuable individuals actively seek opportunities to uplift those around them. By fostering a culture of generosity and compassion, they create a community where everyone is empowered to thrive. Service to others not only enriches the lives of those receiving support, but also brings a profound sense of fulfillment to the giver. It cultivates a shared sense of purpose, connecting individuals in a web of mutual support. In a world often focused on individual success, the true value of a person lies in the positive impact they make in the lives of others through acts of service and kindness, integrity and trustworthiness. In the architecture of a valuable person, the pillars of integrity and trustworthiness stand tall, forming the bedrock of character and reputation. To be truly valuable is to cultivate an unwavering commitment to ethical principles and a reputation that inspires trust in all interactions. Integrity is the alignment of one's actions with their deeply held values and moral principles. Valuable individuals operate from a place of honesty and authenticity, ensuring that their words and deeds reflect a consistent ethical foundation. This consistency builds a reputation for reliability and credibility. Trustworthiness is the natural outcome of maintaining integrity over time. Valuable individuals understand that trust, once earned, is a precious currency that underpins meaningful relationships, whether personal or professional. They prioritize transparency, keep their promises, and uphold ethical standards even when faced with challenges. This commitment to integrity and trustworthiness goes beyond personal gain. Valuable individuals recognize that their actions have a ripple effect, influencing the trust and integrity of the broader community. By embodying these principles, they contribute to a culture where honesty is valued and trust becomes a cornerstone of collective interactions. In a world where trust is often a scarce commodity, the true value of a person is reflected in the integrity that defines their character. Proactive problem solving. In the dynamic landscape of life, the ability to proactively solve problems distinguishes valuable individuals. To be truly valuable is to embrace challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and innovation. Proactive problem solving involves anticipating challenges and taking decisive action to address them before they escalate. Valuable individuals possess a solutions-oriented mindset that goes beyond reacting to issues. They analyze situations, identify root causes, and implement strategic solutions. This approach not only resolves immediate problems, but also prevents their recurrence. Embracing this mindset requires a blend of creativity, critical thinking, and a willingness to navigate uncertainty. Valuable individuals view setbacks not as setbacks, but as pathways to learning and improvement. They understand that the ability to solve problems is a dynamic skill set that evolves through experience and continuous adaptation. In personal and professional spheres, proactive problem solvers become catalysts for positive change. They inspire confidence and create a culture where challenges are viewed as stepping stones to success. By being proactive in addressing issues, valuable individuals contribute not only to their own growth, but also to the resilience and progress of the communities and organizations they engage with. Balancing ambition and humility. The delicate dance between ambition and humility defines the nuanced elegance of a truly valuable person. To be valuable is not merely a pursuit of personal success, but an artful balance between striving for excellence and maintaining a humble perspective. Ambition propels individuals to set audacious goals, chase dreams, and reach for new heights. Valuable individuals harness the power of ambition to drive personal growth and contribute meaningfully to the world. However, they temper this drive with a sense of humility, acknowledging that success is often a collaborative effort and that there is always more to learn and achieve. Humility, in this context, is not about self-deprecation, but a genuine recognition of one's strengths and weaknesses. Valuable individuals celebrate achievements without arrogance. attributing success to collective efforts and acknowledging the contributions of others. This humility fosters a collaborative spirit, inviting others to share in the journey of growth and accomplishment. The delicate balance between ambition and humility creates a magnetic quality. It allows valuable individuals to inspire, lead, and connect with others on a profound level. In a world that often emphasizes individual accomplishments, those who master this balance become beacons of both personal achievement and collective success, embodying the true essence of value. Building meaningful connections. In the mosaic of a valuable life, the art of building meaningful connections emerges as a masterpiece of human experience. To be truly valuable is to recognize the inherent richness that comes from cultivating deep and authentic relationships with others. Building meaningful connections involves more than casual interactions. It requires a genuine investment in understanding and supporting the people around you. Valuable individuals prioritize the quality of relationships over quantity, creating a network woven with threads of trust, respect, and shared experiences. Communication is the cornerstone of meaningful connections. Valuable individuals not only express themselves clearly, but also actively listen, seeking to understand the perspectives, dreams, and challenges of those they engage with. This reciprocity fosters a sense of belonging and strengthens the bonds that connect individuals in a shared human experience. The impact of meaningful connections extends beyond personal satisfaction. It contributes to a thriving community. Valuable individuals become catalysts for collaboration, support, and collective growth. In a world increasingly interconnected yet often plagued by isolation, the ability to build and nurture meaningful connections becomes a hallmark of true value, enriching both individual lives and the broader fabric of society.